Hello friends, welcome back one more time on my YouTube channel Dr.Nilesh Advice. I hope you must be fit and fine, happy, healthy and hearty. Today we are going to discuss one of the common questions which parents ask in my OPD about the ear cleaning. In the smaller babies, how frequently to clean the ear? Whether we have to clean daily, weekly, monthly, once, twice, and how to clean? Is there a risk? I am damaging my baby's ear? These are the common questions which parents ask us into the OPD. So let me clarify all those questions today about the ear cleaning and the ear wax. Friends, we are cleaning the ear to clear the ear wax. Many parents are cleaning the ear wax too frequently. So first understand what is the ear wax. Ear wax is basically the wax which is protecting our eardrum. If you see, our ear is basically three parts. First is this outer part which is known as pinna. This is external ear. Then there is a canal, small tube is there. Then there will be the eardrum. Then there will be the small portion known as middle ear. Then there will be the one coil kind of the structure that is known as the inner ear. How we are hearing the sound? So whenever we are hearing the sound, our eardrum vibrates. As our eardrum vibrates, it sends a signal from the middle ear to the inner ear, and the inner ear will send a signal to the brain. That's how we are hearing the sound. So now why the ear wax is there? Friends, ear wax is basically for the protection of the eardrum. If there is no ear wax, then the vibration of the eardrum will not be smooth. That's why this eardrum can be get ruptured, it can be get broken, so that hearing will be start getting compromising. So God has given the ear wax with the purpose to protect the eardrum. So now if you are cleaning the ear wax too frequently, then you are removing that protection layer, so that you are making eardrum susceptible for the injury. With the louder sound, whenever there is a louder sound, eardrum will start vibrating too fast, so there are chances it might be get ruptured. So that is the reason cleaning of the ear should not be too frequent. Once or twice in a month is sufficient to clean the ear. Don't do more frequent cleaning of the ear wax basically. So how to clean the ear wax? Many parents use the earbud to clean the wax of the babies. Never do that one, because there is a difference between the baby's ear and the adult ear. In the adult ear, the eardrum is too deep. Even if you will put the earbud, you will not able to reach to the eardrum. But in the baby's, eardrum is quite outside. If you are trying to do the earbud, you will rupture the eardrum, so that baby's hearing might be get affected. So what is the safest way? Safest way is to take the thick napkin, put over the ear and just do the rolling movement. Once you will do the rolling movement, you will able to clear the wax. But you have to do once or twice in a month. Don't do more frequently. Many times what happens, that ear wax become too hard. It will become like the hard rock kind of the structure inside the ear. The wax will become so hard. If the child is getting exposed to the multiple dust or the sandy areas, then the ear wax will become very hard. So whenever the wax become hard, child will have the pain. Sometimes he will have the reduced hearing, or sometimes child get the headache, irritability also. Once the wax become hard, then don't try to remove it, otherwise you will damage the outer ear canal also. In that case, you take the child to the doctor, or you can buy the wax softening ear drops, like the Waxol drops are available, which will soften the ear. Once you put that drops into the ear, the wax will start becoming softened, so that you will able to remove by the napkin, or you can take the child to the ENT doctor. He will suction that out, or he will remove by the instrument the ear wax. So impacted wax is the problem, soft wax is not the problem. I hope I have cleared most of the things about the ear wax and the cleaning. If you still have any doubts, you can put into the comment box. I will answer that one. If you like the video, press the like button, and if you are first time on my YouTube channel, subscribe as well. Thank you very much.